Marine engines can be a source of pure frustration. Fuel pumps failing 50 miles offshore, cooling systems quitting in the summer heat, starters refusing to turn over when you need them most. But not today. Today, we're highlighting 15 outboard engines that never stop working. Engines built with reliability as their core mission. Every component is engineered to endure, and their design philosophy shows in every hour they run. Let's dive into the models that earn their reputations for unmatched dependability. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth videos on marine engines, boating tips, and maintenance guides. The Yamaha F300 is a high-performance four-stroke outboard that combines raw power with remarkable reliability, making it a top choice for offshore anglers, large center consoles, and heavy-duty recreational boats. Equipped with a V6 engine, the F300 delivers smooth acceleration, excellent throttle response, and consistent performance even under challenging conditions. Its advanced electronic fuel injection ensures precise combustion, resulting in superior fuel efficiency, low emissions, and dependable cold starts. Yamaha engineered the F300 with durability in mind, incorporating corrosion-resistant materials, a robust gear case, and an efficient cooling system that protects the engine during extended use. Now to the four-stroke outboard that keeps on running, the Yamaha F150 and F200 four-stroke series. Walk any marina, and you'll see these engines on bay boats, center consoles, and walk-rounds. Yamaha built these with automotive-grade internal components that exceed typical marine standards. Forged pistons instead of cast, hardened crankshafts with generous bearing surfaces. The valve train uses shim under bucket adjustment, which stays stable over time. The cooling systems are oversized relative to power output. The water pump moves more volume than strictly necessary, and cooling passages prevent hot spots even under sustained high load. That thermal management keeps internal temperatures moderate, extending the life of seals, gaskets, and internal components. The fuel injection system monitors throttle position, engine speed, water temperature, and intake air constantly. The Perkins 4.236 is a cast-iron four-cylinder diesel that represents old-school engineering. Make everything heavier than necessary and run it at conservative speeds. The rated speed is 2,000 RPM with a maximum of 2,800 RPM, though typical cruising runs between 1,600 and 2,000 RPM. At those engine speeds, everything lasts longer. Bearings see lower loads. Rings wear more slowly. Valve trains experience less stress. The lower speeds also mean less vibration, which reduces fatigue on every component from mounting bolts to fuel lines. The mechanical injection system means no electronics to fail. The injection pump is mechanical, rebuildable, and adjustable with basic tools. The governor uses flyweights and springs. The cast iron construction provides thermal mass that stabilizes operating temperatures. The block and head are thick enough to handle multiple boring cycles during rebuilds. The Honda BF90 and BF150 four-stroke outboards bring Honda's automotive engineering discipline to marine applications. The corrosion protection is extensive and thoughtful. Sacrificial anodes placed strategically throughout the power head and lower unit. Every fastener in critical areas uses stainless steel. The paint and coating systems are designed specifically for saltwater exposure. The internal components receive similar attention. Bearing surfaces are finished to tighter tolerances. The crankshaft is dynamically balanced. The connecting rods are weight matched. These details reduce vibrations and ensure even load distribution across all cylinders. The fuel injection system delivers precise mixture control that keeps combustion extremely clean. The Mercury 9.9 Pro Kicker represents minimalist design, optimized for low RPM continuous operation. These small outboards get used for trolling as auxiliary power and on small fishing boats at trolling speeds around 1,500 to 2,000 RPM. Cylinder pressures stay low. The combustion forces are gentle, which means bearings, rings, and valve components see minimal stress. The Pro Kicker uses simple, proven construction throughout. The power head is a basic 2 or 3 cylinder design. The carburetor on older models or fuel injection on newer ones delivers fuel reliably. The lower unit is overbuilt for the power level, which means gears and bearings last essentially forever under typical use. The gear case uses a simple forward-neutral reverse design with robust dog clutches. The Volvo Penta D4 series, particularly the D4 260. These engines use closed coolant that eliminates the biggest killer of marine engines. Raw water circulates through a heat exchanger, cooling the engine's internal coolant. The water never touches the engine block or head. This eliminates the corrosion and scale buildup that eventually destroys raw water-cooled diesels. The D4 architecture emphasizes both durability and serviceability. The oil filter and fuel filters are positioned where you can reach them easily. The belts and pulleys are visible and accessible. The fuel system uses common rail injection, which provides excellent fuel economy and clean combustion. The engine management system monitors critical parameters constantly: oil pressure, coolant temperature, boost pressure, fuel pressure. All get checked multiple times per second. The Cummins 6BT 5.9 started life as a heavy-duty truck and industrial diesel. That industrial heritage means every design decision prioritized durability and continuous operation under heavy load. The 6BT uses a cast iron block and head with wall thicknesses that exceed marine requirements. The crankshaft is forged steel with 4-bolt main bearing caps. The injection system on most marine versions is mechanical with a Bosch pump. This pump is rebuildable, adjustable, and completely mechanical. No electronics, no sensors. The cooling system typically uses a heat exchanger setup. The raw water pump is gear-driven off the front of the engine, ensuring reliable operation without belts. The Suzuki DF140 and DF175 4-stroke outboards have proven themselves on everything from base boats to offshore center consoles. Suzuki designed these engines with a clear focus on thermal management. The cooling system uses a high-capacity water pump that moves more volume than comparable engines. The cooling passages are designed to ensure even cooling across all cylinders with no hot spots. The lower unit uses heavy-duty gears manufactured to automotive transmission standards. The gear teeth are cut precisely, case-hardened for wear resistance, and sized larger than minimum requirements. The electrical system receives special attention. All connectors are sealed and use dielectric grease. The wiring uses marine-grade wire with tinned copper strands. Beta marine engines use Kubota industrial diesel blocks marinized specifically for boat applications. Kubota builds engines for tractors, construction equipment, and industrial generators, where downtime costs serious money. The industrial blocks use thick cast iron construction with conservative power ratings. That built-in margin means the engine operates well below its stress limits. Beta Marine takes these industrial blocks and adds proper marinization, A closed cooling system with heat exchanger eliminates saltwater contact. A marine-specific exhaust system handles both gases and cooling water. Vibration isolation mounts reduce transmitted noise. Marine-grade electrical components resist corrosion. The result is an engine with industrial durability and marine protection. The Tohatsu MFS series, particularly the MFS 30 and MFS 50 models, Tohatsu focuses on proven reliability over cutting-edge features. The powerheads are deliberately overbuilt relative to their horsepower ratings. The crankshaft is heavier than necessary. The connecting rods use larger bearing surfaces. Every component has built-in margin that extends service life. The cooling system moves more water than the rated power would suggest necessary. That oversized capacity ensures the engine stays cool under adverse conditions. The electrical system uses marine-grade components throughout. The stator produces more charging capacity than needed, ensuring the battery stays charged. The lower unit uses heavy-duty gears that are cut to precise tolerances and case-hardened. The water pump uses a durable rubber impeller design with easy access for maintenance and replacement. The Mercury 44-stroke has earned its reputation as one of the most dependable and widely used mid-range outboards in the boating world, thanks to its blend of durability, fuel efficiency, and user-friendly engineering. Designed for anglers, recreational boaters, and rental fleets alike, this engine stands out for its quiet operation and smooth power delivery. Mercury built the 44-stroke with a focus on long-term reliability. Starting with its lightweight yet rugged design, the engine uses an advanced 4-stroke powerhead that delivers responsive acceleration while maintaining low emissions and excellent fuel economy, making it ideal for long days on the water. Its multi-port fuel injection system ensures clean, consistent combustion and easy starting in any weather, while the gear case is engineered to handle heavy use without premature wear. The Yamaha T9.9 High Thrust is widely regarded as one of the most dependable and capable small outboards ever built, especially for boaters who need powerful low-speed control. Designed specifically for pushing weight rather than achieving high speed, the T9.9 uses a specialized high-thrust gear ratio and a large diameter propeller to deliver strong torque at low RPM. This makes it a favorite among sailboat owners, pontoon operators, and anglers who depend on precise trolling performance. Unlike standard 9.9 horsepower engines, the high-thrust model is engineered with heavier-duty internals, a reinforced gearbox, and an exhaust system tuned for smooth, quiet operation. Yamaha's proven 4-stroke technology ensures clean combustion, excellent fuel economy, and reliable cold starts, even after long periods of inactivity. The Yamaha F70 is one of the most versatile and dependable lightweight outboards ever made, admired for its impressive power-to-weight ratio and exceptional fuel efficiency. Weighing significantly less than many competing 70-horsepower engines, the F70 delivers strong acceleration and smooth mid-range performance, making it ideal for skiffs, aluminum fishing boats, bay boats, and pontoons. Its advanced 4-stroke design uses electronic fuel injection for easy starting, clean combustion, and consistent power in all weather conditions. Yamaha engineered the F70 with durability in mind, incorporating corrosion-resistant materials, a multi-layer paint process, and a dependable cooling system that keeps the engine running safely even during long days on the water. The engine's quiet operation and low vibration levels also make it a favorite among anglers who value stealth and comfort. The Evinrude E-TEC 90 is a two-stroke outboard engine that has earned a strong reputation for reliability, efficiency, and low maintenance, making it a favorite among recreational and commercial boaters alike. Designed with advanced direct fuel injection, the E-TEC 90 delivers smooth and consistent power while minimizing fuel consumption and reducing emissions, a major advantage over traditional two-stroke engines. Its lightweight construction, combined with impressive torque, makes it ideal for small to mid-sized boats, including fishing skiffs, pontoons, and center consoles. The engine is built to last, featuring corrosion-resistant components, a durable lower unit, and a robust cooling system that ensures long-term performance even in harsh conditions. The Yanmar 4JH series is a four-cylinder marine diesel that has been the go-to choice for trawlers and cruising boats since the 1980s. What makes the 4JH legendary comes down to deliberate over-engineering. Yanmar sized every component larger than necessary for the advertised horsepower. The crankshaft could handle 50% more torque than the engine ever produces. The cooling passages are sized for tropical conditions, even though most boats never see them. That means the engine runs cooler everywhere else, which extends component life. The fuel injection system, whether mechanical on older models or electronic on newer ones, delivers precise fuel metering that keeps combustion clean and prevents carbon buildup. Yanmar built these as marine engines from the ground up, rather than adapting automotive designs. When you look across the most reliable marine engines, the pattern is unmistakable. They're built conservatively, never tuned to squeeze out every last horsepower. They run at moderate RPMs, use oversized components, and rely on proven designs instead of untested innovations. Add in high-quality manufacturing, strong cooling and lubrication systems, and long-term part support, and you get engines that simply refuse to quit. So before you go, tell us, what's the most reliable marine engine in your list? How many hours did it have, and what shape was it in? Real-world experiences help everyone make smarter decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know which engine you want me to dive into next. Bigger stories are coming. Stay tuned.